Okay, so this one says to follow the guided instructions. This is for G13. To below to create the line of reflection that would map the pink figure onto the blue. So click and drag to draw lines connecting all corresponding points from the figure to its reflected image. So from pink to blue, oops, sorry. Click and drag, so I got to click and drag. There we go. Okay, click and drag. Click and, oops, I don't think I clicked it. Yes, I did. Here we go. Boom. Okay. Plot the midpoints of all the dotted lines. The midpoint, let me see. So from this point to this point, I went up 1, 2, 3, 4. So halfway would be up 2. And then from this point to this point, after I went up 4, I went over 2. So half of 4 is 2, and then half of 2 is 1. That's the middle. This one's a longer count. All right, to go from this point in yellow to that point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so we want to go up 6, right? Because this is 12, half of 12 is 6. Now let's see the run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be 3. So from here, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 1, 2, 3. Okay, so from this one to that one. You can go over here as long as you don't get confused. It's not a big deal. You can also do it this way as long as you don't get confused. It's not a big deal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Half of 8 will be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So half of 4 will be 2. So that means we have to go up 4 and over 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Okay, we've plotted the mid. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. When everything goes wrong on camera. Draw a line that goes through all of the yellow points. Click and drag to make the line. Okay, so I guess click and drag. So I'm going to click, and now I'm dragging, and boom, I let go. Slope of one of the dotted lines. Okay, well, remember rise over run. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So 4 over 2 means the slope is 2. Slope of the line of reflection. This is going to be negative, right? So to go from this point to this point, I gotta drop 1 and run 2. So negative 1 over 2. Because it went down. It's plus is a negative slope. Try the values. Good. Now the line of reflection says y equals mx plus b. We know the slope is negative 1/2. And the y-intercept happens to be negative 3. You are correct.